This worksheet contains some dates, and the dates have been entered and they're appearing in a range of formats, including some days that are just being represented by the raw number of days that have expired since the 1st of January 1900. These dates will look a lot better if they're all formatted consistently. To format dates, just select over the dates that you want to format, and then you can select something here from the number format drop-down list. There's a short date format that displays the month followed by the day and then the year, with slashes between each of these. This is that format applied to this data. You can also use a format called long date, which includes the day of the week. I'll click that. Now this is an interesting situation we haven't encountered yet. What Excel is telling us is that the entry in this cell is too wide to display, and so it can't display it, and it's not going to until we widen this column. Nothing's happened to our underlying data. It's still here. It just can't be seen. To display the data, we can widen the column, or we can simply double click on the marker between column B and column C to make the column as wide as it needs to be to display all the data. Now there are other ways that we can format dates. We can open the number format dialog here. This is the exact same dialog as we would get if we selected our data, right-click and choose Format Cells. It's also the same dialog that we can get to by clicking More Number Formats at the bottom of this drop-down list. However we get here, these are the date formats that we can use, and when we select on any of them, we can see the first date in the list as it would be formatted if we were to choose this option. As I suggested when we were first looking at entering dates into a worksheet, you may find it appropriate to use a date format that spells out the month name, at least 3 characters of it, to make it clear what the month and day is. I'm going to select this option and click OK, and it's now applied to all my dates.